Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP LaserJet MFP M28w series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for HP LaserJet MFP M28w support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results should come back with an HP support page that says HP LaserJet Pro MFP M28w. Go ahead and open that up. And now on this page, you want to scroll down. And underneath Driver Product Installation Software, you want to select the HP LaserJet Pro MFP M28w slash M29w slash M30w slash M31w printer full software solution. Select the download button that corresponds to that. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file. And you can close out the web browser at this time as well. And if you receive a user account control prompt, should be HP Inc. Verified Publisher. Select yes. And then just follow through the on-screen wizard here of getting your printer configured for your device. And that's pretty much all you'd have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.